This week saw Samsung's Unpacked event. Yep, it's phone launch time again.
Here I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now, whether you find this appealing or not, I have to say that on Click we've been to a fair few phone launches, and it is quite refreshing to find one that doesn't just look like a rectangle.
This is Samsung's second foldable phone and is a more compact offering than the first, even though its ultra-thin foldable glass opens up to a 6.7-inch screen.
And on the front here you have a display where it can give you all your notifications. When you get phone calls or text messages, they'll pop up there. And there's also a camera so you can take selfies without even opening the device. But once you do open it, well, some apps are optimised to be able to provide you with a viewing zone and an interaction zone. It wasn't long ago that the Motorola Razr was announced, and one of the criticisms that that's received is that the line in the middle where the phone actually folds is a bit too prominent. Now, how much that crease would bother me if this was my regular phone, I don't know. I can see a line there, but it is a folding phone, so I don't really know what you'd expect.
Oh, and it would set you back £1,300, by the way.
Here I have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, Samsung say the main reason that people upgrade their phones is to get a better camera, and that's definitely the focus here. In fact, it has up to 100 times zoom. If you take a look behind me, there are two small figurines up there. I'm going to try taking a photograph of them using this device, zooming in, and see how clear it's going to be. The camera has 10 times optical zoom, and beyond that moves into digital zoom. Now, once you're in the realms of using the 100 times, the camera engages AI to clean up the image as well. Okay, it's definitely zoomed in, but the image is very shaky, so I think you'd really struggle to do this holding on to the phone. If on a tripod it still looks like this. But you can see more, you can get a clearer image of what you're looking at. The question is, how much use is that photo? You certainly wouldn't want something that looked like that put on your mantelpiece, would you? This shot has been taken using the 48 megapixel camera, and the AI has then helped create a clearer shot. Now let's compare that to this image, which was taken using the 108 megapixel camera, and then after the photo was taken, the picture was zoomed in on. So that one is sort of clearer in a way. This looks more like a work of art.